Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, and giving you a beginner's guide to this game-changing technology. First things first, what is IaaS? Simply put, it is a cloud computing model where a third-party provider hosts and manages the core infrastructure components, such as servers, storage, and networking, while users can access and manage their own applications and data on top of this infrastructure. Think of it as renting a virtual data center instead of owning and maintaining physical equipment. But why should you care about IaaS? Well, for starters, it offers incredible flexibility and scalability. With IaaS, you can easily add or remove resources as needed, allowing you to adapt to changing business needs quickly. No more worrying about investing in expensive hardware that may become obsolete in a few years. IaaS also offers a cost-effective solution, as you only pay for the resources you use, making it a great option for startups and small businesses. Now here's the key insight. IaaS can help you focus on your core business. By outsourcing the management of your infrastructure to a third-party provider, you can free up your IT team to focus on developing and improving your products and services. This can give you a competitive edge in the market and allow you to innovate faster. So, who are the top IaaS providers in the market? Well, there are many, but some of the most popular ones include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Each has its own strengths and features, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your business needs. In conclusion, if you're looking to streamline your business operations and reduce costs, infrastructure as a service is definitely worth considering. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more tech insights, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.